Guys, take a close look at this absolutely stunning, all original 1973 Honda CB500 4. Very, very rarely do you find one with very low miles, 9,700 original miles with the original factory Garnet Brown paint job on it. All original factory chrome, the original Honda HM323 4x4 exhaust system. Everything, even the seat cover on this bike is original. And it's just been massaged to perfection by us here at Kaplan Cycles. Pretty extensive work order, totaling 78.5 hours of labor, plus parts. So pretty expensive project, but these are becoming extremely rare and highly collectible. Most of them were turned into cafe racers, or they put the 4x4 exhaust. They're missing the original air boxes. They've been repainted. You don't know if they're lipstick on a pig or what it is. This is a genuine original paint, matching numbers Survivor that was just massaged to perfection. And given what we call a preservation service, more than it wasn't a frame off restoration, it was more of a preservation service. Let's take a look at the chrome on the front of the pipes on this thing. They're usually all rusty and blued. That's original factory chrome. That's original chrome on the front fender, original chrome on the wheel set. Starting with the engine, it was gone through completely. The fuel tank was completely cleaned and serviced. The inside of it looks like brand new. It was acid etched and then sealed. It looks absolutely perfect. Looks like a new tank on the inside. The fuel petcock was replaced with new fuel lines and a new fuel filter is installed. The cars were completely dismantled. The racks were split. All the jets were clean. It has new needle valves in seats, and the carb was completely gone through top to bottom. Very extensive carb restoration and then synchronization once the bike was running. It's got brand new filter in it. The original air box is intact and in mint condition. It's got a brand new battery in it. The valves were adjusted. The cam chain was adjusted. The engine oil was changed. The brake fluid in the front was changed, so it has all new fluids in it. The engine, as you can see, has been thoroughly polished. It was an extensive process. The clutch cover was sanded, polished, so it looks like it just came out of the box brand new. This is the original Honda chrome cover, which is still in mint shape. The cover is up here real nice. It's got 4 new plugs in it. I'll grab the work order just to make sure I didn't forget anything, but the original factory paint was polished and waxed, and the Honda logo was touched up on the white parts right there. At the front of the bike, the forks were dismantled. New fork seals were installed. You can see the fork lowers were polished beautifully. Those are normally faded clear coating. The rim was cleaned and polished. The hub was polished. All the chrome, all the instrument gauges, everything on the bike is original and cleaned and polished. The rear wheel was given the same treatment, removed, vapor honed, and then the brake backing plate was sanded and polished. The exhaust system was removed and completely cleaned and detailed. There was a small hole on one of the pipes here. Where was it? On the inside of the pipe. It's very difficult to see. You can't even really see it, but that was professionally welded, and the rest of the pipes were thoroughly clean and polished. So they look one of the nicest sets of original Honda pipes I've seen in one. And this bike was one of the last years before the EPA got in and really neutered the sound of the motorcycles. This one still had a nice exhaust note to it. One of the best exhaust notes of its era. And this is the bike that pretty much the 500 and the 750 put Triumph and Norton pretty much out of business because they were so much smoother, so much more reliable. You could hop on it and ride it cross country with very little trouble. They're fuel efficient, and the 504 fits a sweet spot where it's substantially lighter than the 750. It's about 450 pounds, putting down over 50 horsepower. It's got a top speed of about 115 miles an hour, and it'll do the quarter mile in just over 13 seconds. So it was sporty, light, sounded good, plenty of power for 2-up riding, smooth, reliable, oil tight, and virtually indestructible. These bikes run forever. So here's a work order right here, done by Mr. Turbo, who's been working on these Honda. He's our Honda 4-cylinder specialist. So there's a 4-page work order of everything that was done. I probably left some of the stuff off, but it'll all be in the eBay ad. He also has new engine oil filter and, of course, oil, new coils on it, new condensers, new spark plugs, new battery tender lead to the new battery, VP94 ethanol-free fuel with Golden Spectra 1040 oil. I already mentioned the new air filter, the new fuel line, new fuel filters, brand new handlebar grips. It has a new 530 gold chain, new pilot jets, new carb floats, some new hardware and new float needle rubber tips and new 95 main jets. So just a spectacularly running, low mile, original. The entire bike was steam clean, hand washed, and given that full rotisserie detail that I told you quite a bit about. They also painted the foot peg mounts, polished the engine covers, polished all the chrome on the bike, repainted the kickstand, repainted the front brake caliper, polished the fork lowers. Let's see, they painted the front bracket, polished the front rim, polished the rear brake hub. They repainted the swing arm, but made special attention not to lose the original warning decal on there. They taped over that. Touched up the frame rails, restored and repainted the center stand, touched up the license plate holder, cleaned up the rear fender. Let's see, cleaned and detailed all 4 exhausts off the bike. They professionally detailed them, quadruple zero steel wool, and polished them. Painted the badges on the fuel tanks, cleaned and polished the spokes, buffed the tank, cleaned the seat, cleaned and detailed the shocks, and just gave it a full, every square inch of this bike, top to bottom, has been massaged to as close to perfection as possible, while still retaining the original 53-year-old finish on it. It's not perfect. If you come over here, this is the original factory paint job, and you see there's I don't know if the camera will pick it up, there's a little bit of discoloring here, probably from gas coming out on the tank over the years, if they're filling it up. Maybe there's a slight ding right here that any good dent magician could definitely remove. It can be accessed from right here. We don't have a dent magician locally. Ours retired. So, but the original saddle is in mint shape. The original brake light is in mint shape. That's about it, man. I mean, it's a nice of an example, and definitely well sorted out one, as you'll find for sale anywhere online in the United States, available for sale today. Oh, there's one tiny little ding on the headlight ring right here. These are available if you wanted to replace them, but that's the original headlight ring. The fork boots have been replaced, as you can see. Those are new also. So, spectacular machine. The tires, the front tires got, I'm going to say, 85% tread left. The rear's got 90% tread. They're older tires, but there's no dry rot on them, and they look like brand new, so we didn't want to mess with it. So if you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. We can ship this anywhere in the continental U.S. by licensed, insured, enclosed shippers that we ship thousands of motorcycles with over the years, so it'll get to your door exactly the way it leaves here. We finance in-house, and we do take trades, so if you have any questions or need any help getting financing or figuring out how to come up with the funds to buy this bike, give us a call. We'll get you dialed in and get you on the open road, and we stand behind everything we sell. Thanks for watching. God bless America.